Alright everybody, welcome back. So this is another video for final piece, final test. This is a 2-kit setup. This is a 3-ring, 3-row. These are the standard LEDs that I do that are every other LED. But the body kit is every LED, so it'll be a lot brighter. But I'm going to fire this up real quick, let you guys see it. And that way we make sure everything works. This goes out to Scotty in Kentucky on his slingshot. And then after this we'll get ready. Well, I got some other stuff to do, but we'll start boxing this up, getting the shipping label on it and getting the shipping confirmation sent out. Here we go. Woo. Nice and bright. So the 2 long strips you see there go down the left and right side of the slingshot, left front to rear, and the 2 short strips go under the front bumper. You can also mount it to the roll bar, the round bar, excuse me, that the bumper mounts to. If you don't like them that low, scared you're going to hit a curb or something in a parking lot. But anyway, so everything's looking good. Take some more pictures and send them to Scotty. And like I said, we'll start rolling these strips up. I got to get some the adhesion promoter to go with those so he can install those, and we'll box up everything and get a tracking number on them. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.